People think magic is rare, but walk the streets and you see it everywhere. In timing, in small gestures, sa diskarte ng tao. Most of it looks ordinary, but look closely. Adjust your angle, and suddenly, something hits. Magic isn't just tricks. It's perspective. It's life. It's culture. Siguro masyado lang tayong busy, kaya hindi natin napapansin.